Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Heist skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's got a really cool looking mask. So we're gonna start out with the eye area first. So right in the middle here, just draw like a little bracket like this. Okay, and then from that bracket on the corners here, we're gonna slant it up. Same thing here, just go out and up. And then whatever space you have here, just close it with another bracket. And that's pretty much the eye shape. Okay, and then to finish up the eye area, we're gonna draw one more line. Just kind of go around it. And this part's gonna be red. Going all the way around. Okay, so after the eyes, we're gonna roughen the shape of the head first. So come to the side here. Draw like two curves coming in. That's gonna be the side of his head. And this is gonna be the jaw area. So now we're gonna turn it in to finish up the chin. Just come in and then close it off for the chin. It's almost like a Spider-Man mask. Alright, and then now it's just kind of go up. So just kind of curve it up. It's going to be a little bit flatter on the top. And then come back down. And I know these shapes are very tricky to draw. Okay, so once we have the head shape, now everything else is a little bit easier to draw. So let's go down and draw the mouth. So we're just gonna draw like a big smile first, right underneath the eyes. It's gonna be the top of the lip. And then now we're gonna come down. So it's gonna go down pretty close to the side of the head. Just come down, it's like a big smile, and then just close it off. Alright, and then now for the inside on the details, we just draw like a little diamond shape inside right in the middle. I'll just shade it in first. And then from that diamond shape, I'm gonna go up. Let's draw one line going up. And then one line going kind of almost across. So it's a little bit wider at the ends. And let me shade it in so we can see that a little bit better. Okay, and then once we have that, there's a little bit more detail here. Just draw a little angle on the bottom. Makes it look more sinister. And then up here as well, just a little triangle. Alright, so that's the mouth shape. And let's see on the bottom here, see it's got like three little dots here. So I'm going to draw one. And then I'm just going to draw two more on each side. And then for his nose, you can I'm just gonna draw two lines like this, slanting down, since it's kind of small. Alright, and to finish it off, some more detail on the top. So right here in the middle, just draw like a little curve. And then on the ends here, just flare it out. And there's gonna be three bumps here, but we're just gonna draw two small ones on each side. And then whatever space you have in the middle, just connect it with a big curve. And then lastly, the little straps right here. So this is easy. We just draw a little bit of a rectangle and then one more in the center here. And that's gonna give us the mask. Yeah, very cool looking design. Alright, so now let's move on to the body. I'm gonna start with the collar area first. Just draw like a little triangle like this first. And then right here, come down and just kind of hook it back up. So this is going to be the shirt collar. Okay, and then we're going to continue this line here. Go all the way down. This is going to be his belt. So right across here, this is going to be the top of his belt. And then let's just add one section here. And I'm just gonna add in 2 lines here for the belt buckle. Okay, and then we're gonna continue with this line just slightly. All right, so now we can kind of see what's going on here. I know it's kind of strange to be working in the middle first. All right, so now let's go out to the shoulder. Just kind of come down here. We'll just slant it out nice and wide. And then we're gonna pinch it in all the way down to the waist area, the belt, and then kind of flare it back out and then close it. Okay, so we're coming in toward the belt area, flare out, close that off. So that's gonna give us this jacket. And then for the details, just come up here, draw like a little bracket. And then from these corners, we're gonna go up. And then this one's gonna go down. And then for the pockets here, just a little rectangle on the side. And 1 line in the middle for the shirt. And we're done with the torso area. All right, so now let's work on his arms and come down a little bit. Here's his armpit, shoulder. He's wearing a suit, so it's gonna be straight. Come back here, so it's just like a tube coming down. Here's the elbow area. I'm just gonna add a little line. It's kind of like a fold on his jacket. And then we're gonna extend it down right around here. Close it off. And add 1 line. And then now we can draw in his hands. So his hands come down here. Little hook for his thumb. And then 1 line going out this way. And then here's the back of the hand. And then now for the other finger, we're just gonna curl this. Turn it around and just connect it back up here. And let's add a little bump here for the other fingers on the back. All right, so that's his hand, and let's move on to the other side. So again, here's the armpit. Shoulder straight. Add a little line there for the fold. And then come down, use the other side for reference so you know how long. Close it, and same detail here. And this one, let's see, let's give him a fist on this one, it's a little bit easier. Little hook, back of the fist, just turn it and close it. All right, and that's it for the upper body. And he's wearing those shorts. Just come down right in the middle, draw 1 line in the middle again, and add a little fold. And then, so this one's just gonna come straight down. Start a little bit in here. In here, just come down straight, close it off with a little slant. So he's just wearing these shorts. Come down here, same thing here, close it with a little slant. All right, and then the lower legs, here's his knee. So I'm just gonna draw like a little, 2 little lines here coming down. And then for the lower leg, flare out. And then I'm gonna pinch it in. Close it off. And for the shoe, dome shape, just come out and then come a little bit more on this side. Close it, and then let's just add in 1 section for the sole. Okay, so same thing here. Just come down, that's his knee. Flare out. Slight curve and straight down. Close it off, and then same thing here, dome. Come out more on this side. Close it, and then 1 little section. And that is it for this very cool looking Heist skin. So hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.